Look at the size of that snake. Oh my gosh. That is the biggest snake I've ever seen. Doka Station. Doka Station. Making our way to a waterfall today. Hiking to a waterfall, it's gonna be 95 degrees, 35 Celsius, and 79% humidity. Wonderful. Jess, where are we going?
Michelle tells me where to go.
Beats me.
Rainbow Falls.
Rainbow Falls. Side note, Jess leaves in like 2 weeks. It makes me very sad. It makes all of us very sad. She's going back to Texas. So if you haven't looked at her channel yet, what the hell are you doing? Look at these weirdos. Trying to come get your goo goo clusters at the local GS. Goo goo clusters, get them while they're gooing. Our current problem is we can't find a taxi driver that will take us from our stop to Rainbow Falls because it's far out of the way, and if they take us out there they won't really have any business coming back because it's in an area that's not very popular.
가는데 그 무지폭포 들어가는데 또 돈이 한 4천 원 나오는데 꼭 2만 원 돼야 된다.
20? Add 5?
We made it to the spot. Now all we have to do is hike. Rainbow Falls. We found it, Rainbow Falls. Look at that. Oh, it's glorious.
Uphill, yeah. That was more than that though. That was like an hour uphill. Yeah.
30 minutes from here.
I heard that there are like
Pretty steep uphill. Yeah, it doesn't seem like a path.
up there.
Yeah.
Up there.
We're not really on a path anymore.
Yeah, up there.
I know. Meanwhile, in our journey, we are lost in the Korean forest, somewhere in Busan. That way. For right now, we're literally just following painted trees. Standing on a rock. Honestly, this is a rock that is 50, 60 feet before a tree down there. So that's death if I were to slip. But amazing view. We turned around because we were getting lost-ish. And we came to the river where all the people are because we were like way up there and nothing made sense. But now we're at the river, walking up. I think this is where we heard the guys yelling. Vicky, what happened to Jess and Michelle?
They didn't make it.
They didn't make it.
They didn't make it.
We just had to leave them behind.
Oh, it's like an actual built
Path. Real path this time, not random painted trees. that went in every direction. So Michelle and Jess, we went up a mountain, kind of didn't know where we were going, came down the mountain, and then we found the real path. Up here. We found the waterfall. Done. Thank you, waterfall.
We chased it and we made it.
We chased the waterfall and we made it. We tried catching some fish with our bare hands. Didn't work. But it was a good waterfall trip. We came to the Jungle Cruise Cafe to eat onion pancakes.